Good morning, guys. Man, I was trying to figure this thing out. Today is going to be a special day. Today, we're going to do a giveaway for every par that Nutty gets at the Amish Open. So I have this scoreboard of Nutty's scoreboard right there in the corner. So every time he gets a par or better, we're going to give away an account. It's going to be a lot of fun, hopefully. Hopefully it works. If you're not into golf, par means he has to score whatever the par number is on that hole. So, and I lost in the ORB and I went second time and I lost. So today I did the opposite of ORB. I went long here at support instead of going short and I lost, of course. Of course, just trying different things. But I'm focused here on TPT. So hopefully we could pass the TPT accounts that I have and then we're going to work on Lucid. Camera is still messed up. I tried to play around with the settings. Could not really get it to work, but just got to make sure that it's not a trending day. So for now it is. For now it's a trending day. Nice fork setup here. So Nutty should be teeing off now, so he should be playing already. So we're just going to keep an eye on it. I mean, we can't give away 18 accounts. I don't have that many, so hopefully he doesn't par. Well, I hope he pars every hole, but it's going to be a limit on how many accounts I could give away. Actually, never mind. It doesn't matter because the rounds are going to take longer than the stream, so I won't be here for all 18 holes. Sorry to hear what? All right. We need 2,200. Right now we're still downtrending. I'm not touching that. GG's on this TPT last night. What does that mean? What's that mean last night? Last night I didn't trade. No. We need $500 on one. We passed one. We passed the second. So I have two passed. One more needs $500. One more needs $2,200. And one more needs $1,200. So I am gonna just take my time. See if we could reverse the trend today. Yeah, hopefully by Monday we have 3 to 5 accounts. Why is the camera still messed up? I don't understand what is causing this. What is the camera picking up that is not focusing on me? I don't. It's on autofocus. It's set to human recognition. I guess I'm not human. Guess I'm a robot. Oh, okay. Okay, Sony. Whatever you say. Okay, maybe we're getting a bounce finally. Yeah, I guess I'm AI generated. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Honestly, don't understand it. Like, what is wrong with it? I've never had this many issues with the camera ever. You know what the issues became? When I said, oh, I'm going to stand up. Remember that one day on stream, I stood up with my standing desk and then the camera tipped. And ever since then, can't get it to work. Why is this stream lagging? All right, nope. I don't know. My computer's lagging or the stream on YouTube's lagging. I don't know. Can't even get music to work today. Damn. Does Bullnox fund South African traders as well? I have no idea what countries Bullnox does not support. Sorry. I'm sure you could go on their FAQ and see that. Okay, well, I give up with YouTube. There's something wrong with my browser, I think, because everything's buffering. Oh, 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 oh. Why is my stream lagging? Look what we got. We got a par to start. I'm way too unorganized for this. I had to close all my browsers because they're all broken. Nothing's working on my browser. Nothing's working. Can we watch it? No. It's just Just a scoreboard. All right. You got 1 minute to enter. Let's see if it works this time. Remember we had an issue with this last time? Okay, it works. All right. The first winner. Giveaway's closed. It's going to be only open for a minute because there could be another one soon. First winner today is Down Under. Let's go. Down Under. I have your email, I think, already, but send me an email anyway. Guys, giveaways closed. I think I'm going to do a form. So that way I have you guys in the form and we could just draw from the form every time. So we don't clutter the chat. But if the market keeps up selling off like that, I don't know if I'm going to trade. So I'm not really too worried. I am not going to jump in front of the train or catch a falling knife like I always do. So today is going to be more about giveaways than trading, I think. Even though I really want to pass these evals, but at the same time, I can't risk all the progress. Unbelievable sell-off. Can we straight enter? Every time he's gonna get a par or better. All right, so we have first one. I'm gonna have to write these down somewhere. But yeah, let me do the form so that way you guys could just. I never finished the website. I gotta finish it. Really would make my life so much easier. All right, we got a dashboard. So we're gonna fill out a form and then we're gonna just draw it from the form. You want the link for the scorecard? I could give you that. That's a live scoreboard. You can't watch. It's not that big of a tournament. Matty Matt, I just posted a link. There's a scoreboard for the tournament. You can see the scoreboard on the stream, no? The camera is still blurry. All right, we're getting a bounce finally. Maybe. I'm gonna do the 50% retracement trades. All right, camera, I give up with you. I'm about to throw this camera into the trash. Or maybe I'll sell it and buy more accounts with it. How about that? Uh, 320 still acting as resistance there. So we'll see what happens here. Eventually the trend should turn. Just can't be early this time. Oh, just like that. Got bought up. Yeah, he had a horrible round yesterday. He's probably not going to make the cut. He said his driver just did not work yesterday. He was out of bounds 11 times. It's going to be me and Tim on Sunday. I'm going to hook and Tim's gonna slice, and it's gonna be a great time. And then we're gonna do a lot of miles on the golf cart because we're gonna go left for my ball and then all the way to the right side for Tim's ball. I don't know if we're gonna scramble or not. If we scramble, we could probably do. I wonder if we scramble if we could do like 78. I don't know if it's a par 70. Or par 72. I don't think we could break par, but or be at par. Although if I played like I played last week and you play like good round, I think we could do it. Yeah, I like scrambling. Scrambling is fun because like you take every shot kind of less. There's less pressure on every shot. In a sense, sometimes there's more if you go second and the first person shanks it. But what I mean by that is like you don't ruin your scorecard because you double chipped. We could scramble. I'm good with that. Until we both double chip. Well, let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's see. Damn, it takes forever to refresh. Please don't ignore me. I won the giveaway Monday and still nothing. There will be nothing till Monday. I'm not giving away the accounts till Monday. I have way too many giveaways to do. So I'm not going to bother TPT with a million emails. I'm going to get a bunch. Maybe I would send the batch from today because today's going to be a bunch. So it's not a code. It's I gotta email TPT, so I want to email them like all the email addresses at the same time, just so I don't give out too many accounts either. Because if I give out too many and people don't claim them or they don't transfer them, I could give out too many as well. But don't worry, you'll get it. All right, finally a bounce. Finally a double bottom bounce. Finally we didn't make a new low, so I'm gonna look for longs here. No trades for me yet. Oh my goodness. I think I'm in trouble, chat. Think I am in trouble. Nutty is off to a great start. And guess what? Most people haven't filled out the form. So you have a very easy chance to win. But we're going to wait till the next hole and see what happens. But fill out the form, guys. Fill out the form. Because we only have 17 entries, so I don't want to do a giveaway now. We'll wait till the next hole. If he gets a par, we'll give away 2 accounts. Again, I can't give away more than like... I don't know how many I have left, but I gotta check. So they gave me a bunch of accounts as a promo. That I have to give away by Monday. That's like the rule. So I can't use the accounts myself, and I have to give them away. I'm buying this at 50% retracement. If I really hope that this goes higher first. Why can't you access TPT? Are you in Canada? See if I get faked out here. This didn't really start a trend yet, so I'm kind of buying this risky entry here. But big day tomorrow? Nah, it's gonna suck. Did you end up buying the tickets for the VIP? There's no one gonna be there. I have never received so many complaints. I have so many complaints. No one knew that you had to buy the extra ticket for the VIP, for the pregame. Yeah, it's like $75 or $115 with the ticket. And you don't even get free alcohol. It's just free food and field access. It's like, dude. I don't know. Maybe I missed that in the emails. I don't know. Damn it. Got missed in that entry though. I might have missed it in the emails. Maybe they said it was going to be a separate charge. I don't know. I remember seeing, this is all last minute. So I saw that they had a place for this whole event, and I said, yes, that looks good. I didn't know it was going to be extra costs. So usually when we do events like this, people that buy the tickets through our link get access to the area. But what section are you sitting in? Okay, I'm in 121. That's if I have any tickets left. I kind of give out all my tickets. We'll make sure we link up for a picture. Exactly. I think a lot of people are going to tailgate, which is, I think, more fun anyway. I think tailgating is more fun than damn, just can't get that 50% pullback. I'm playing golf in the morning tomorrow at 8:30, and then I think I'm heading to the stadium at like 4. I gotta get there at 5. And then I'm playing Sunday with Timmy. And then Monday, I think I'm hanging out with Bella and David. Come on. Get this fill. I don't want to be too precise. I'm in one contract there. I'll add a second one, but we need like $2,200 past this eval. All right, I'm in. No update on the score yet. When do you get to drag race, Tori? Very soon, hopefully. Sometime in September, I'll get my exhaust. Wow, I guess this is not gonna work. Downtrend continues. Can I get you into the stadium? It's not worth it. I don't even know if I could get into the stadium without paying. I mean, I'm getting paid a little bit to DJ the pregame, but I just have so many friends and family going, and they're not gonna be able to see me DJ, so it's kind of like so stupid. I actually prefer that because then I don't have to prepare. It's like a Polish night. Because I don't know if anyone that knows soccer knows Lewandowski, and he plays for Chicago Fire, and that's who they're playing tomorrow. Wow, I'm getting killed here. I gotta take this off. Gonna be halfway to pass again. Absolutely getting crushed. It's only an hour and 20 minutes. Plus, who want? Trust me, I don't want to do it. I'm only doing it because I got asked. I'd rather just go to the game as a. I'm gonna cut that so we're at halfway past point now. That didn't work at all. Well, I said it. The market didn't turn yet, right? There's no reversal yet, so that was just a hoping for a reversal. If we get a reversal to the upside, then it's gonna work. I'm gonna just buy more contracts and get $4,500 in one trade. Or this could just bounce now and piss me off, and it's gonna be great. I hate downtrending days so much. Like, I just wish I could get better at them. I just don't know how. Don't know how to do it. Because every time I would short, it's going to be a V-shaped reversal. Seems that way. What game is it? It's Chicago Fire versus New York Red Bulls. I did the ORB. I lost twice. I didn't really do ORB, to be honest. I did an 80-20 trade. Kind of got in my own way of the ORB with support. And of course, would have worked. I can only trade range days and up days. Or V-shaped reversal days are my favorite. Like if this starts to reverse violently, then we can make a lot of money. And I'm going to be very aggressive. I keep saying money, but it's not money. It's profits. Numbers. I just struggle with these days. I don't know where to look for a trade. That's why I'm not gonna be worried about trading till I see a reversal. Some days the market just keeps on dumping. I'll never forget that one day. I was driving to Canada for a wedding on the Friday, and the market just kept dumping the entire session from start to finish. It never like had a bounce. I think I blew like most of my accounts that day. That was in February. Of last year. Holy shit, that's a year and a half ago. That's crazy how fast time flies. I was thinking it was this year, but that's a year and a half ago now. Buy 220. I'm not buying anything. Buying against the trend is death. I want to short this so it goes up. Maybe we should just dedicate a brand new account. Maybe I would just buy a Lucid or something and just short it. Or maybe Apex. I know if I short it, it's going to go up. That's how it works. All right, let's see. Let's see if the score updated. Ooh, no, a double bogey. It's a double bogey. When is the TPT sell over? Actually, I don't know. I guess they never announced the date. Is it on Monday? Oh, shit. If it's Monday, then I gotta buy more accounts. I would love for TPT to do a 1 week sale where it's like 70% off, but you got to pay activation. So it will be more expensive for the account, but you could just go for it. You wouldn't have to worry about spending a lot of money on evals. Turn into Apex. Just won't have to worry about, I'm still gonna buy a bunch of Evals anyway. $20 bounce, nice. Yeah, I guess if you bought 320, 280, 220, actually today would have worked. Now that I think about it. 320 bounce, 280 bounced. Now 220 bounced. So the levels are working, but okay, we're waiting for another par for a giveaway. Damn, that was a part. Oh, that was a par 4. Let's see if 280 holds again. Damn, Auntie, you definitely could have banked on that. Oof. I was not expecting that bounce, but if you zoom out, I mean, that was a good area, I guess. I just hope we turn into this type of market right now, and then... But no, 280. 280 rejects again. All right, we gotta start scalping this because the levels are working. $180s I'll buy. Yeah, bounce at 20. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of support on the left here. Now, if we break down to 180, then we kind of break that structure. So I don't know if there's something else to look at. But I'm hoping for a higher low now. Higher low, higher high. If we break out here to, let's say, 320, I'm buying the pullback. Trading with no stops really makes it difficult to trust the process. I don't know what's a good stop though, because if you buy the levels and then you have a tight stop, I mean, you're gonna get stopped out, you know. I guess like 20, 25 points would be kind of like a safe spot, but then you got to go for like 30 to 50 points as a profit. All right, I'll buy the pullback. Hopefully it goes, ideally it goes at least to like 310. And I'll buy pullback at 280. Come on. Nice. All right, perfect. Again, make sure you fill out the form down on the bottom in the pinned comments. Every time Nutty gets a par, we're going to do a giveaway. We have one account to give away right now. We're just waiting for more people to fill out the form. So basically waiting for another par. We're going to give it a couple more holes. If he doesn't get a par in a couple more holes, we're going to give away that account. Nutty is playing in the Amish Open in Ohio. All right, we're in one contract. That's it. Okay, we're on all three now. Let's see if it just collapses here. It's still downtrending, so I'm kind of going counter trend. But now it's getting rejected. Getting aggressive. It's just an eval. It's just an eval trying to pass. Yeah, the longs have worked off the levels pretty well. The thing is, once the market starts going higher, it's going to make shallow pullbacks. That's what I'm trying to catch. Which account TPT is good? 50Ks and 150Ks. Even 25Ks are nice. It's just 25Ks, you could blow them so fast. It's like when the volatility increases, the 25K is gone so fast. Good morning, Bella. How we doing? How is Miami? Bogey. Okay, gonna wait for one more hole. Par 5. See what he does. Come on. Let's see 320s. Wall Street trader. Everything's okay. Trading is absolute trash, but summer's here. Can't complain. Come on. It's struggling. It is struggling for sure. But hopefully it does give in and just rips. Did I get the exhaust? No, it's not going to be here for a while. It's almost finished getting wrapped. The wrap is taking forever too. I'm expecting to have it this weekend, but I guess not. Probably Monday or Tuesday. Damn, if this was our first trade, we would have been fine. We almost would have passed the eval. Let's keep making some support levels here and I guess not. I guess it's one of those days where I just got to get the hell out of here because the market just wants to go lower today and I suck at long. I mean, not shorting. I suck at shorting this market. I just can't do it. I just physically can't short because every time I try, it doesn't work. So. But I would like to pass these for Monday, but I'm going to have like two. I have two passed already, so. And then I could hopefully make $500 on the other one. I got to make $500 on the third one. If we just start going higher though, making higher highs, higher lows, then I could pass all of them. I just got to be patient for it. Longest break I took from trading. Recently it's been like 2 weeks, maybe a week, 2 weeks. But it's very hard for me to take a complete break. I'm always either like gonna trade some evals or something. It's very hard for me to take a complete break. But in the past, when I started trading, I took like 2-3 months off. Oh man, this market is something. I just can't. Anyone has any suggestions for short strategies, let me know. Well, Cedric, it's much more complicated than that. It's much more complicated than that because I love buying dips, right? Like I love buying this. Like I feel like this is my favorite way to make money, but the market has to bounce. If it doesn't bounce, then I'm screwed. Like I need the market to do what it did yesterday. Yesterday was amazing right here. This is my favorite market right here. This move. Not when we're already all the way, at the top. Like I can't find an example. This right here is my favorite. This maybe, but this is my favorite. So it's like I need that V-shape reversal. Yeah, that's what you could inverse your charts on Thinkorswim and TradingView, but I mean the fact that this can't go higher after struggling for so long to go lower is so rare. Like in my opinion, it's rare. Like this is usually something that will bounce, and today is just probably not going to. Maybe it will eventually, but so I can't change. What I got to do is just not trade, but it's very hard to do that as a streamer, to be honest. 100% honesty, it's very hard to do that as a streamer. Or if you're watching the market nonstop, it's very hard. Because the difference when I'm not streaming is I'm not watching the market every second minute of the day. I'm not staring at the chart every second, every minute. It's I walk away, I go do something, I go get food, I go in the garage, I do this, do that, and then I look at the market and I hope that I find it in the right spot to take a trade. And that's, or sometimes I just place orders ahead of time and I leave. All right, let's see. Let's see if we could update the scoreboard. Again, every par we give away an account. We gave away one account already. This is Nutty's scoreboard live from the Amish Open. He's on the par 5, hole number 5. Let's see how he did. Let's see if it updated. Did not update. If he does not get a par on this one, we're going to do a giveaway anyway. But it's going to be for one account. If he gets a par on this one, it's going to be 2 accounts going away. If I blow this eval, I'm not trading until the market goes up. If it doesn't go up, I'm not trading at all. If I don't see higher highs, higher lows, and momentum to the upside, this is it. This is my last trade of the day. And then we're just going to watch the scoreboard. We're just going to watch the scoreboard and hang out. We're in the range still. We need to break this high and hold it. All right, let's see if the scoreboard is updated. Nope. Damn, these par 5 takes forever. Need to break 311. And then hopefully we break 330. Making a nice base here, so hopefully it's a head and shoulders inverse, and then just starts ripping higher, rips higher. I'll buy the pullback, add on the pullback, add to the winner when we pass this eval. Hopefully that's the plan. Make sure you guys fill out the form down below if you want to enter the giveaway, which we'll be doing in the next couple minutes. QUANTOWER copy trading is correct. It has a built-in copy trader. You can't use it with any other platform. It's just for QUANTOWER. All right, finally we broke a little bit of structure, I guess. But it's got to hold. If it just rejects the 320, it's not going to be good. I want to see new highs over 330s. Break these highs. That's the key right now. And I'll add to a winner. Good morning, good morning. Simplistic, how we doing? All right, let's see. Did Nutty get a par? Oh man, still not updated. Imagine it turns into a arranging like session. Nutty is being a naughty boy this morning. Why? Well, he's not holding up the giveaway. He's actually doing the giveaway. All right, he got a bogey on that. All right, so one account going out right now. One account's going out right now. All right, whoever filled out the form, you're on here. So thank you for entering. In honor of Nutty, we're going to do a duck race for 30 seconds. So good luck, traders. This is for one TPT account. Dan Futures in the lead. Oh, Isma is in the lead right now. Duck number 53, but attack on Hive wins this one. Congratulations to you. All right. Make sure you guys enter if you haven't entered yet. For every par Nutty gets, we'll do a giveaway. So we did 2 so far. He has 2 pars, but unfortunately, that's all we have at the moment. I don't know why I can't. The score is cut off. Well, it's fine. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something different. This would work better, I think. Let me know if that's better. Because now I could just refresh. Yep, that's gonna be better. I guess not. Pine Tree, good morning. Ah, man, that 320. The 80-20 levels are working out really, really well today, I guess. Let's see, can we break it now? Good morning, Shrews. Really want to get this damn eval passed. Yeah, there's like 75 millers out of like 100 golfers. All right, we're getting a pull towards the previous highs here. So let's see, or push, not a pull. 335. That's the key level right there to break. Yeah, I haven't sent the giveaways out because I'm gonna send all the giveaways either today or Monday. But yours I could technically send you because it's an Apex code, but just haven't done it. Yeah, I guess Miller's a very common last name in the Amish world. Damn, I wish we could just rip higher. Come on. Just rip it. It is pretty funny how right there was a 50% pullback on the dot. Okay, we're profitable here. Recovered the loss so far. Damn, market's moving so slow though overall. Arca, good morning. All right, I like this. I like this more and more. Just hope they don't yank it. Golf guy Mike, good morning. We got Nutty's scoreboard live on stream. We're doing a giveaway for every par that he gets. Or better. All right, we broke that. Slightly, we broke that. But we did. So I'm going to buy the 50% pullback here. Could even be 50% from there, to be honest. I'm gonna have two 50% pullbacks. One at ooh, let's go. We might not even have to add. We could pass. Then we gotta make 4,500. Around there is where we would pass. So yeah, I think adding would not even be needed. I think I should sell one, which I did. And then we're gonna rebuy it at 50%, which is right at 320. It's not a violation, but the evals only stay active for 30 days. I also want to trade the other eval. We need $500 on this eval here at 159. No, I don't know which one I was trading. So we're about I think right there is our pass. If we don't add more. My chart is so messy now, but I have a 50% retracement of this whole entire move, which lines right at 304, which is not perfect, but then 50% of this move lines at 320, which is nice. Damn, imagine we just passed this without having to add. That'd be crazy good. We're $300 away, guys. $300 away from passing. I just got to make sure we're within All right, we got another giveaway. We got another giveaway. Nutty with the par. And we're about to pass this. Come on. Come on. Please be enough. Yes, it's enough. All right, let's just make sure that we are good with consistency. I don't know how much I made the first day. All right, but let's just focus here and get $500 on this other one. Make sure you guys fill out. I'm gonna check my consistency, and we're gonna run another giveaway. We're gonna run another giveaway. Which eval was this? 159. Oh man, I suck. We're not past yet. Still need a lot of profit. No, you don't have to fill out the form again. Oh, I messed that up. See that? I always do this. We gotta make another $500. Oh, it's all right. We'll just trade these together. Be fine. We need another $500, guys, unfortunately. Oh, wait. No, never mind. Is it? Wait. I looked at the wrong one. On this one, we need $1,000. Which one is it? 814. All right, this one we're good. Yeah, we did pass. Okay, we passed. We passed. I looked at the wrong one. I looked at this one. So this one needs 9,500, which is not a problem. We could do that. All right, let's see. We got 90 entries here. We'll make this one quick. All right, so this is for the 50K TPT. All right, 50K TPT going to, again, every time Nutty gets a par, we do a giveaway. So this is a giveaway number 3 of the day. Jeff N73. Is Jeff in the chat? We're gonna make sure that you have to be present to win. Otherwise, people are just gonna fill out the form and leave the stream. We don't want that. To remove inactive accounts on any prop, you go to connection settings and uncheck display non-active accounts. So it's right by the login window, connection setting. Jeff, are you in the chat? Jeff N73. Yeah, Jeff is not here, so he could claim it later, but I'll mark it as he's not here, and if he shows up, he could still claim it. But let's run it back. Let's run it back. GCTA price action. He's always here. But he's not here right now. So we'll see if he comes back. Again, guys, you have to be present. Otherwise, it's not fair. We'll see. That's why I like the entries, but then people just keep typing Alpine the whole time, and it's just like annoying. I gotta make it automated, like kind of like what Nutty, another par. Damn, Nutty's on fire. All right, let's take all the names again. Make sure we got all the names. Maybe some other people joined. We had 89 names on the last one. Let's see on this one. 96. All right, we got some new names. I have you blocked on my other account, so I can't claim the account. Which one? Cam. Is Cam in here? All right, just email me from that account then. But let's see, did you enter on this one? If you double enter, that doesn't count. Okay, you didn't double enter. You're good. Yeah, just email me. Email me from that email or whatever. So Cam is here. Cam, I have your email. I already have your email, so you don't have to email me. All right, can we get a pullback here for a... Okay, this one's kind of too deep now. TPT. My email is alpinetrades07@gmail.com. Nutty Bar scoreboard. Yeah, we're doing a giveaway for every par. So we've done 4 so far. 4 giveaways. Just got missed on that 50% pullback. Let's see. Yeah, we got 2 more holes. Maybe I'll probably hang out till like 12 o'clock. We need to make $1,000 on this eval to pass because of consistency. I want to enter one because it's just teasing there at 50%. It would have been filled. I gotta keep track of all these giveaways because damn. Let's see if we could get this. If I could pass this one, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4 past evals. Because I have one on Tradeovate. You guys have no idea how difficult it is to keep track of the giveaways when you do a bunch in one day. I should just give out like 5 to one person. My life would be so much easier. Matty Matt, no, you did not. Let's see. Hole number 8, part 3. No update. Yeah, I wish I got filled on that second one. We would have been good. I use Excel now, yeah. But people are not here half the time. Matty Matt, it's just like so annoying. So the people that were here before or won before and are not here. So like GCTA and Jeff. Last call for you guys. If you're not here, I'm deleting. Another par. Let's go. Nutty is on fire. All right, this time it's going to be for Apex. And you could get it right away. You'll get this one right away. We got more names as well. We got like 109 names at this moment. Sean. Let's go, Sean. Sean was just in the chat, so he's got to be here. Let's go, Tim. Another big payout coming. Is that your first day trading on on the account. Copy trading all 20. Look at you. Tyler, how was lunch or breakfast? Yep, I'm doing that on Monday. They're coming by on Monday. Is it gonna focus? If I win TBT account, I'll give enough cash back to buy 2 new ones to give away when I cash, if that's possible. Nah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. Appreciate it. Look at that watch, Tyler. Damn, bro, you're balling. Come on, go, go, go. If I got that second contract, jeez. Is Sean here? Come on, Sean. Wasn't Sean a member? If I keep doing this over and over, I'm not gonna be able to keep track of who won. You were slow, too slow to claim TBM's giveaway. He has a very short time span. All right, again, this eval, unfortunately, we need to make $9,500 to pass because I made too much. So even on this win, we will not pass. If I got that second contract, we would have been pretty much... We would have been right there. Yeah, 9,500 total profit. We are at 9,100 right now. $200 moving average kind of in the way right now. Let's see if we could get through it. Am I still using 80-20? Yes, but differently. If you look at the chart today, the levels would have gave you a good scalp every time. 320, 280, and 220. Even 420 earlier. The only one that didn't work was 380. Oh, guys, my electrician's calling. My garage. Hold that way too fast. If I would have held, we would have passed. Oh man, we would have passed that. We only have 66 likes. Oh man, I didn't even check. You guys are slacking. Well, buy is right at where we sold. Let's check again exactly how much we need to make here. $95.20. So we need $300. So it's technically like $295. Whatever. I don't think there's a limit on daily payouts. I'm not sure. I haven't heard if there is one. I haven't been really keeping up because I'm not really interested in that. It doesn't really matter to me. I'll never reach. Damn, the 9th hole is taking forever. The camera is set to focus on the mic, yeah. I gotta figure it out. I really do. It's been bad. It's frustrating me. You know, I could fix this in 1 minute if I had a person to sit in this chair. If I had a person to sit in this chair for 1 minute, I could fix it. But since there's no subject sitting in this chair, it's very hard. Wow, what a rip. This is what I love. See, this is what I love. That's why I can't inverse this chart and go long, because I love buying this. This is why we made the profit that we made. Okay, my brother lives far away. They just come here for a minute. Oh, they say my car might be ready today. Just got the message. Man, what a rip here. Fuck. Once it starts going, that's the thing. Gotta take advantage of it. It's so nice. Oh, the minimum's 500, yeah. I knew the minimum, but maximum, I don't know if there is. Did the score update? No. Wow, what a rip, guys. I just want to long it right now and just get that $300. I mean, how hard can it be, right? See, now it doesn't want to pull back at all. That's the perfect V shape. We just need $300 to pass. And I'll be happy. I'll have 4. I'll have 4 accounts from TPT. Then we got to pass one more. So either the 150K or the 50K. And then we're going to work on some Lucids. What are we? Unreal. Unreal squeeze. All right, we got a bogey on the 9th. Does TPT need a buffer when you get funded? Yes, you do. Damn, what a squeeze. We have not had a single red candle in 11 minutes. Basically, in 16 minutes. And we're just sitting on the sideline because we can't, there's no way to participate in this. I mean, how can you participate in this? That's the main thing I got to change on the downtrending days, is just to be patient for some sort of reversal first. Don't buy the bottom just to buy it. Just wait for some kind of sign of strength and don't pike it. What sucks is I could have just trailed, right? I could have just trailed. Like I don't care about missing this move. The biggest thing is that I'm still not passed with this eval, and we could have easily passed it. But I thought selling up there at 380 was a good idea, so that way when it pulls back, I could rebuy it. But $300. It's not bad, Tim. I'm gonna start compiling the emails for the giveaway. We'll probably gonna do one more giveaway before we end the stream. He'll probably not make the cut, no. I mean, like I said yesterday, it's like his bad score is my like amazing score. If I could get 41 through 9 holes, I'll love it. I would love it. I'm just sending the giveaways. Par with the 4-man scramble is still not easy. Yeah, Tim, I'll be done. I'm done in 12 minutes. I gotta go get a haircut. Shroods, you can make 500 whenever. You can make 500 in a month. No, it's just one entry per day. It's just one entry. It's all good. Let's see if we get this fill here. $404 will be better entry, but I'll try at 420. Let's see if we could get one more giveaway. I guess we'll do it no matter what. Well, let's see if Nutty could get one more par. The next par 4. Damn, I wish we could get that filled. Just bounce off the moving average there. So close, so close, so close. I guess the lesson is don't make too much on one day. Always lose on purpose. Crazy that I just like missed me by a couple points. Decent pullback too. And we pulled back 45 points and all I needed was 48 points. Oh. Now I have FOMO. Now I definitely have FOMO. How do we get missed by a couple? Yep, that's not his scorecard, but unfortunately he didn't have a good round yesterday, so does not look like he's gonna make the cut for tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, I do too sometimes. Getting FOMO and just entering late is a common mistake traders make, but at the same time, it's like it's all about the stop loss, I guess. Because you could enter late. It's just, are you gonna stop out? Oh yeah, it's so different playing competitive golf. Everything counts. Every penalty counts. The pressure. Everything is different. Let's see if it updated. No, maybe they took a break. The back nine. We're gonna do one more giveaway before I head out in 5 minutes. But let's see, can we get filled on this pullback? Probably not gonna be as good, but it's 50% retracement of this move. So let's see. Doesn't look too bad. Just need $300. And par to start back 9. Let's go. All right. Much better scorecard today. So the leaderboard, I don't know what the cut's gonna be. There's some good players. I mean, that one guy is under 2. Or 2 under. 2 scratch. Some good players. Oh, now we're gonna sit in some pain. Yeah, Mike. But unfortunately, Nutty yesterday had a tough time off the tee box. So yes, short game is definitely something that is very important, but getting off the tee box is important as well. Most people go to the range just to hit the driver. Yeah. I barely hit the driver lately at the range. Maybe tonight I'll hit the driver a little bit. Yeah, you just got to be able to put the ball in the play. If you're out of bounds and you get penalty for out of bounds, it's kind of ruins the hole every time. Sucks that we missed that entry by a couple points, and now we're in the drawdown on the next trade. Ooh. I guess the worst part is that we've already hit the target on this account, but since I made too much on one day, the consistency rule gets all screwed up. But I'm really gonna have to go soon because I have a haircut at 1 o'clock. That's about 20 minutes away. So 12:20, I have to go. So in 10 minutes, we'll do another giveaway at the latest. Doesn't matter what this trade is gonna do. But maybe we'll be able to give away 2 more accounts instead of just 1 because Nutty is on fire right now. Yes, Sean, you did, and you weren't here. But since you're a very regular in the chat, is it spam? No, it's not spam. Well, congrats, Sean. You could still win more. We're gonna run 1 more or 2 more giveaways. We're gonna run 1 more, like, in, you know, it's gonna be 2 people in 1. So 2 more accounts potentially. All depends on how Nutty does on this hole. Can we get another par? Oh, you know what? If I pass this account in the next 10 minutes, I will also give 1 away. If Nutty doesn't get a par. Okay, got in with the second contract. See if it holds. Probably won't. Yeah, it already hit 9K, but unfortunately, because of consistency, I have to make 95. So I need $300 on this trade. I'm down 800. So technically we need $1,100 turnaround. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. It's kind of melting at this point, but hopefully it's just a pullback. Kind of missed. We missed that entry right here by like a couple points, so that kind of hurts really bad. And I could have also passed it here if I just held it to target instead of selling it. So a couple of mistakes on this trade. Okay, 4 minutes till next giveaway. 4 minutes. Fill out the form down on the bottom. Make sure you hit that like button as well. And a girl says, appreciate the calmness of your channel. PW is good though. PW gets the views. PW gets the views. But I wonder what his plan is with the West Coast BDH. He's different in person though. Come on, bounce. Now it's gonna bleed the other way. The long was here. That was the long right there. One minute till the giveaway. 1 minute till the giveaway. Try and refresh the scoreboard, but it's not going. He does have a tendency to do that. Yeah, Nutty's playing a good round. If he played like that yesterday, he would have been golden. The crazy part is he played this course on Wednesday and he shot 3 over. Obviously that's with no pressure, but still. We're getting burnt on this pullback. Same situation as before, kind of giving back the gains. It's so silly that I've done this because could have passed it here, could have passed it here. So many opportunities to pass and I just couldn't do it. Imagine we blow this account. I mean, it could definitely happen, but imagine we blow it past eval. We just needed to make consistency. $250. I couldn't do it. That is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Obviously, I bought at the top, a terrible buy. Now that you look at it, but All right, giveaway time, guys. Giveaway time. We'll do a race this time. Last final giveaway for today. We're gonna do a lot on Monday as well. I might give away 5 accounts to one person on Monday. Again, TPT gave me a bunch of accounts to give away, so. All right, we have 152 entries this time. Let's go horse racing. Good luck. So this is for a 50K TPT account. And we'll do last place gets Apex. All right, Andy's off to the lead. Miss K, look at you. Miss K with horse number 69. How fitting. Of course, Miss K chose number 69. Why wouldn't she? If not Tyler, then Miss K. Not other way around it. Five studios in the lead. Hannah in the lead as well. Previous winner, Dame Futures, Peter L. Who is it going to be? Go, go, go. Remember, spank that horse. It goes faster. There's no boost button on this one. This is the Amish racing. All right. Attack already won today. Can he win again? F1 racing in a horse. Archipelago Futures. Horse number 133. All right. And the last place for Apex. Jalen Habaro. Okay, horses slow the hell down. Oh, Arky is a member. I didn't realize. Let's go. Did Nutty get a par? He did. All right, we're gonna have to do one more. Nutty won. Nutty won another giveaway. Let's go, Nutty. And the last place was Jalen Habaro. All right, one more. One more. If you haven't entered, you have a chance. The link is down below. The link is down below. Mike, I don't know if you fill out the form. If you fill out the form, you're in. No, you didn't fill out the form. All right, guys, quickly, because Alpine's got to go get a haircut for tomorrow. I have a big gig tomorrow. Oh. Damn, Nutty's gonna have a good round today. I like it. That's 5 pars in a row. All right, guys, 1 minute. We're gonna do one more Apex and TPT giveaway. So we'll go 2 more accounts and then I'm leaving. Hopefully this eval passes. Man, I'll be upset if I don't pass this one. Damn consistency rules. There's a link for the scorecard. I'll post it again at the end of the stream. It's just what would be the cut? So there's 116. No, it's more than that. How many total golfers are there? $116. So like 58 golfers get in. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. But who knows? These guys shot plus 10. They fall apart today and Nutty's plus 26. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough to get through. Cam, I already sent you the code, I think. Apex codes got sent already today. Or maybe I didn't send it to you yet. Maybe I didn't. Wait, did you win Apex or did you win Let's go. Let's go. Whatever's happening in the world right now, it's great. Come on, do it for the stream. Oh, so close. Oh my gosh. We're so close. Arky, yes, he did win TPT. That was so close. My God. Two points from passing, I think. I don't even know. Maybe we had it passed and I didn't even realize. Never mind, Cam. You won a TPT, so TPT will be sent later today. And you probably won't get it till Monday. That's annoying. Okay. We'll live. At least we sold one. How much did we get on this one? Oh my God, we had it way past. Oh my God. Oh no, never mind. We definitely had it passed though. We definitely had it passed. Not way past, but. Oh man. Is Monday a raffle for members only? No. There's gonna be a members only raffle too, but there's gonna be a raffle for everyone too, because I have to give out a lot of accounts on Monday as well. Monday's the last day of TPT sale, and I have to give out the accounts by then. Probably gonna do like another 4 accounts on Monday. Unless we just do one person, I don't know yet. Just so much easier to just do one person. All right, I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. I'm not gonna make the appointment for my haircut. Oh, how did this week go? Terrible, Matt. Absolutely got crushed on Tuesday and Wednesday. It's just been so bad. But we're doing a giveaway for every part Nutty gets at the Open. But this is the last giveaway. And yeah, I just spin the wheel, been Matt. Much faster that way. I'm gonna spin the wheel, it's much faster and I don't have time. Mason Hawaii gets the 50K TPT account. Is Mason in the chat? And Martin P gets an Apex account. All right, guys. Unfortunately, that's gonna be it for today. I gotta go because I got a haircut appointment. I'll see you guys all on Monday. Let's hope this eval passes by end of today, because I'll be really upset if it doesn't, because I already definitely passed. I was definitely green on it here, and I don't know what this news was, but fortunately we didn't get filled on that second exit. But all I had to do is exit manually and I would have been fine. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Definitely check your dashboard. For those who won, check your dashboard by end of today. You might have the account, so you might be able to get a day in. You might be able to get a day in before the close. So I'm gonna send them the email now. Take care, guys. Go nutty, yes, go nutty. Sean, okay, no problem. I'll resend it. Probably sent it twice. Or I didn't copy and paste. These accounts are complicated. Man, all right, I gotta go because I can't focus on doing the giveaways. And all right, guys, see you on Monday. It's fine. He's not in the chat. Then too bad. I can't keep doing giveaways like that. They're not in the chat. They're not in the chat. So we got to figure out a better system. Gotta figure out a better system. I'll see you guys on Monday, Member Monday, and we're gonna give away like 3 accounts just to members and like 2 accounts to everyone else or whatever. Maybe even more. We'll see how many accounts we have left. Definitely should be in the chat too, and I agree. But they're not in the chat, so they don't win. There's 3 winners today that they're not getting an account. See you guys Monday.